Blooming Investment Application. So we're gonna talk about the Blooming Investment Application review, the tutorial about it, how you guys can use it, and how you guys can get the application. So some of you guys might not be able to get it from the iOS store or Apple store based on your region of the place you are in. So you guys can get it by visiting their application on the web application website. So simply I'll be attaching the link to their website in the description below so you guys can check it out. Just go here, click on this option which says text me the application and type in your number, and after that it will just create a send link and it will create a link to the application and you guys can install the application using that link. So what is Blooming Investing app? So the Blooming Investing is a mobile application designed to help user investment in stock market, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments. It aims to simplify the investment process for the beginners while offering tools for more experienced investors. So this is one of the things. So let's talk about some of the pros of this applications. The pros are the user-friendly interface, the diverse investment options. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and more all in one place. So the other is fractional shares. Bloom allows users to buy the fractional shares, making it accessible for those with smaller budget. So the educational resources, low fees, automated investments, and after that, the security. So the app users uses encryption and other security measures to protect user data and funds. There are some of cons as well to this website, which is limited advanced tools availability. The app are not available in all of the countries, and the last thing is customer support. Some users have reported to slow responses time from the customer services. So let's talk about how you guys can install the application. We have talked about that earlier, and now we're going to talk about how to create an account. So once you have simply installed the application, all you have to do is to click on the create account button, sign in with your email address, or connect it with your Google or Apple ID, and after that, complete the verification process by providing necessary identification documents like passport, driving license, a social security number, or anything which identifies your verification. So, so which verifies your identity. So the number third step is funding your account. This is a very important step. Once you have linked your bank account with the application, you can fund your account with that. And after that, explore the investment option and start investing. Use automated features if you want to, then withdraw and all this stuff. So what are my final thoughts about this application? So my final thoughts are that uh, Bloom Investment is a great option for the beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of investment. So its user-friendly interface, low fees, and educational resources makes it an interactive choice. However, advanced investor may find the platform lacking in sophisticated tools. Always do your own research and consider your financial goals before investing. So this is not a financial advice from my side. This is just a review about the application and how you guys can install it and get into the application and use it. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.